right, I am going to show you guys how to apply our new scale stickers. If you can see, that's with this Mannix 2. We're going to be doing the PM2. This is about how they will come on a swatch like this. First thing you will do here is you can clean your knife scales. You can use windex or whatever your cleaner of preference is. I'm just going to go ahead and squirt some on the paper towel here. Kind of just dab it clean. Well, that was a little more than planned. Dab it clean a little bit, both sides right away. I'm going to use this towel here to get my fuzzies off from the paper towel. All right, and the first thing we're going to do here is to get these off. The best option is here to take the side with the fabric on it. I have already done it, but you can take an exacto knife, use your fingernail to just pull that one side up. Pulls off real nice. Oops. Make sure it's nice and clean. And then what you do is you go ahead and line up the one hole first. My shadow light up. And kind of, you don't want it to go down tight the rest of the way yet, but let it kind of fall. Line it up over the pivot screw and the clip holes. Oops. Kind of let it press down a little bit and smooth. Make sure the back is lined up good. Smooth it out, and the good thing is you can see here maybe that it's a little bit over the pivot screw. And the nice thing about this is you can take, and it kind of, the fabric, it slides a little bit, so you can get it just right around there. All right, that was side one. See, nice and simple. Do the same thing with side two. Line up that hole. Oops. The nice thing is it's easy to kind of pull up a little bit and realign. And there you have it. You got PM2, our new sticker scales.